welcome to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make quick home remedy for cold and catarrh. So before we get into today's video, if today is your first time on my channel, you are welcome. This is Homemaking with Billy, and on this channel I bring to you recipe, lifestyle, remedy, as well as tips. I hope you enjoy your time here. These are the ingredients which I'm going to be using to make this quick remedy for cold and catarrh. I've got ginger. I'm going to cut out from this ginger, and I've got a lemon, half lemon, and I'm going to be including honey. So let's get started. Here is my ginger. I'm just going to cut a bit from it. I'm going to peel this off. So here is my mug. I'm going to chop it into this mug. Here it is. I'm going to add some boiled water. So my water is already boiled. I'm going to add into this mug. So here is my lemon. I'm going to use my lemon juicer to extract the juice into this water. So here is my cup. I'm going to sieve this water here. I'm going to get rid of this ginger. It's already absorbed from the hot water, so I don't need this anymore. So the next part is for me to add 2 teaspoons of honey. This recipe is quick and it works very well. It reduces sore throat, blocked nose, and catarrh, so it's very good. So now I'm just going to stir. This remedy is suitable for everybody, children as well as adults, especially children. So you don't need to go to the chemist when they are developing this symptom of cold and catarrh. Just make this and give it to them. So thanks guys for watching today, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Thank you, and I will see you next time. Bye.